Welcome back to the Excel Chart Lab. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download market data from investing.com and import it into Excel. We'll walk through getting the file, opening it, and preparing it so that you can build charts like candlesticks and line plots. This is an Excel skills tutorial, so let's get started. So you come over to investing.com, you get a free account, then you enter your stock symbol number up here, your stock symbol or company name up there. I've already selected Ford's price history. Then I come up here and I set the starting date for the first full week of trading of 2025 through the current date. I sorted oldest to new. Then I'm going to do a quick download here. Okay. Let me come over here to the download section. First thing you want to do is open it in Notepad or your favorite text editor. We're going to make three changes. First, we're going to change the title. This to closing price. Then we're going to get rid of the M's. The M's represent millions of shares, so this means on this date, Ford traded 67.9 million shares. This is the percentage change. We want to get rid of the percent sign also, because we're going to calculate both volume and percent in the Excel spreadsheet. That's our task for today. Do a Control S to save. Now if you come over here, double click, it should open it for us in Excel. And it does. So come over here, we have two columns, black, white, bold, center. Okay, this is going to be the value, volume. We're going to call this percent. Oh, I forgot to get rid of that, didn't I? No worries. Let's do replace M, match case, replace all. There we go. Okay, good. That was easy enough, wasn't it? Volume, so we're good. Volume time 1 million, right? Carry this down. Percent, we're going to change the change divided by 100. That way, when we actually do the let's format this as a let's format volume with commas, and let's format this as percent. Okay, give it an extra thing. All right, so there. Now we got that. Let's do a quick save. Let's do a save as. Save this as Stock Labs. And this is going to be our base template, okay? Because all you have to do now, when you go download new data, just come and cut and paste it right over top of here. And everything will be calculated for you, all right? So now we got this. Now let's just go and convert this into an Excel table. It's all you good thing. Now before we finish here, I'm going to show you how to create one very useful plot right off the bat, okay? We're going to plot closing price and volume on the same chart. We do an insert. This is the combo plot, combo, custom, okay? Volume is going to be on a secondary scale. We want the volume to be, we want the close to be a line, and we want the volume to be an area. Now there's one thing you want to do over here. Okay, click on the axis you want to change. We're going to change this to, like, say 5, or maybe even 6. All right. Last thing we can do this evening, give it a nice descriptive title. And there you have it. Very quickly, how to download data, do a little data cleaning, and create a useful plot, close plus volume. Thanks for watching Excel Chart Lab. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more Excel charts and data visualization walkthroughs. Let me know in the comments what chart or technique you would like to see next. So we see you in the next video.